So if f of x is 4x to the 6 minus 2x cubed plus 3 minus 6 over x cubed, find f double dash of x. This means find the second derivative. So that means we have to differentiate this function twice. So f of x is equal to 4x to the 6 minus 2x cubed plus 3 minus 6 over x cubed. We need to rewrite for this bit here. So that will be 4x to the 6 minus 2x cubed plus 3. And this will become minus 6x to the minus 3. Now we can actually differentiate, so we'll put f dash of x, so it'll be 6 times 4, which is 24x to the 5, minus 6x squared. When you differentiate a constant, it becomes nothing, and then here the sign will change. It will become plus 18x to the minus 4. We're asked to differentiate, find the second derivative, so we need to just differentiate it again. We don't need to rewrite it this time. So it becomes 5 times 24, which is 120x to the 4th, minus 12x, and then this sign here will change, so we've got minus 4 times 18, which would become minus 72x to the minus 5. Notice when you take 1 away from the power, it becomes minus 5. Rewriting that, we get 120x to the 4th minus 12x, and then this becomes minus 72 over x to the 5. The common factor of 12, and we've got x to the 4 minus x minus 6 over x to the 5. So this has been a video to show you how to find the second derivative. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.